realm of dating and relationships, many individuals often find themselves grappling with uncertainties and anxieties, especially when it comes to attracting someone they're interested in. However, by adopting certain strategies and approaches, it's possible to enhance one's confidence and allure, thereby increasing the likelihood of success in romantic endeavors. In this guide, we'll explore 8 powerful techniques derived from research and psychological insights, designed to help individuals effectively attract women and leave a lasting impression. But before I start, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. 1. The power of eye contact. Engaging in meaningful eye contact is a fundamental aspect of human interaction, capable of conveying confidence, trust, and interest. However, to truly captivate a woman's attention and foster a deeper connection, it's essential to go beyond mere eye contact and focus on a specific technique: gazing into her left eye. Research conducted by neuroscientists suggests that individuals often cradle babies on their left arm, leading to increased eye contact with the baby's left eye. This phenomenon triggers the release of oxytocin, a hormone associated with bonding and affection. By directing your gaze towards her left eye during conversation, you can stimulate the production of oxytocin in her brain, thereby fostering feelings of trust, arousal, and emotional connection. By mastering the art of eye contact and incorporating this subtle yet powerful technique, you can significantly enhance your ability to attract and captivate women with confidence and allure. 2. The influence of scent. The choice of fragrance can play a pivotal role in shaping perceptions of confidence, attractiveness, and desirability. Recent studies have demonstrated a correlation between scent and perceived confidence, with individuals using scented deodorants reporting heightened levels of self-assurance. In a compelling experiment, participants who utilized scented deodorants were consistently rated as more attractive by a group of women, highlighting the profound impact of fragrance on interpersonal dynamics. By selecting a fragrance that resonates with your personality and style, you can exude an aura of confidence and allure, making yourself more appealing to women. 3. Harnessing the power of natural supplements. Nervousness and anxiety often hinder individuals' ability to confidently engage with others, particularly in romantic settings. Fortunately, there are natural supplements available that can help alleviate these feelings of unease and promote a sense of calm and confidence. Guana, a water-soluble vitamin rich in caffeine, has been shown to enhance mood and alertness, while Aline, a natural amino acid, can induce feelings of relaxation and tranquility. Additionally, vitamin D3 has been linked to increased motivation and assertiveness, making it easier to overcome inhibitions and approach women with confidence. By incorporating these natural supplements into your daily routine, you can effectively manage nervousness and anxiety, enabling you to interact with women in a more relaxed and confident manner. 4. Utilizing social support. The presence of social support can significantly influence one's confidence and demeanor, particularly in high-pressure situations such as approaching a potential romantic interest. Research indicates that individuals who engage in conversations with trusted friends or family members prior to social interactions experience reduced levels of stress and anxiety. By leveraging the power of social support, you can bolster your confidence and alleviate nervousness before approaching a woman. Simply engaging in a brief phone conversation with a close friend or family member can help instill a sense of reassurance and positivity, enabling you to exude confidence and charm in the presence of women. 5. Designing stimulating dates. When planning a date, it's crucial to consider activities that evoke excitement and intrigue, thereby fostering a deeper connection between you and your partner. Instead of opting for conventional dinner and movie outings, consider incorporating elements of novelty and challenge into your dates. Engaging in stimulating activities that provoke adrenaline and excitement can trigger the release of oxytocin, a hormone associated with bonding and affection. By designing dates that involve unexpected twists and challenges, you can create memorable experiences that strengthen your connection and enhance mutual attraction. 6. Cultivating social dominance. Social dominance and confidence are highly attractive qualities that can significantly influence perceptions of attractiveness and desirability. Research suggests that individuals who display assertiveness and social acumen are perceived as more attractive and appealing by others. When embarking on a date, it's important to interact confidently with those around you, including waitstaff and other patrons. By demonstrating social competence and dominance, you can convey a sense of self-assurance and charisma that is inherently appealing to women. 7. Navigating the check. The manner in which you handle the bill during a date can have a profound impact on perceptions of confidence and generosity. Rather than engaging in awkward negotiations or debates over who should pay, take proactive steps to discreetly settle the bill without drawing attention. By assuming responsibility for the check in a subtle and courteous manner, you can demonstrate your confidence and decisiveness while also sparing your date from any potential discomfort or awkwardness. This thoughtful gesture is likely to leave a positive impression and enhance your perceived attractiveness in her eyes. 8. Embracing patience and anticipation. While the prospect of physical intimacy may be enticing, it's important to exercise patience and restraint, particularly during the early stages of a relationship. By refraining from kissing on the first date, and instead opting for a warm embrace and kiss on the cheek, you can convey a sense of respect, self-control, and emotional maturity. This deliberate act of restraint not only fosters anticipation and desire, but also demonstrates your ability to prioritize emotional connection and mutual respect over impulsive urges. By cultivating a sense of mystery and anticipation, you can leave a lasting impression and lay the foundation for a deeper, more meaningful connection with your partner. In the pursuit of romantic attraction and connection, confidence and authenticity are invaluable assets that can elevate your appeal and leave a lasting impression on potential partners. By incorporating the strategies outlined in this guide, you can enhance your confidence, allure, and ability to attract women with grace and charm. Remember, true attraction transcends surface-level gestures and embraces the essence of genuine connection and mutual respect. With patience, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace vulnerability, you can cultivate meaningful relationships built on trust, understanding, and shared experiences.